Hello and welcome. My name is Oscar and I am a systems engineer. This course is about learning the essentials of the Android Studio IDE. As a systems engineer, I spend more time supporting applications and tools than designing them. Therefore, I understand the added value for learning and understanding the tools that technical people use in their day-to-day technical related activities. I understand how frustrating it can be when tools that were supposed to help you get things done become a barrier to getting those things done, especially when time is not on your side. Most of the time, all that we wish we had when facing challenges with new tools is a well-written getting started guide. As opposed to a getting started guide, not only is this course about the essential you need to understand the Android Studio IDE, it is also about the essential you need to become familiar with the tasks or routines you will always encounter during your Android application development. Routines such as refactoring your code, using the layout, graphical, and text editors to create your application's user interface, or more importantly, debugging your application code using the debugger or the logcat. If you are getting started with the Android Studio IDE, I can assure you that after taking this course, Android Studio IDE will never be a barrier to your Android application development. Instead, it will be the ultimate tool that will effectively increase your productivity. Now, my goal is to create a course that can truly help Android Studio IDE users. That said, if you are taking this course and find that some topics are not well covered or not covered at all, then please contact me so that I can either add the missing part or the entire topic to the course if it is not already included. Note that your feedbacks are very important to me and are welcome because they will help me better achieve my goal of providing you with the best services you deserve. Thank you.